Welcome back to Mindis and AI Trading, where human intuition meets algorithmic precision. Today, we have a critical update for long-term Bitcoin investors. We're diving into the one-week BTC chart and spotting something very important on the RSI. If Bitcoin breaks this trend line, things could change very quickly. As always, remember that this analysis is based on current data. Future news or macroeconomic events can shift the market rapidly. On the weekly BTC chart, we're trading inside a well-respected ascending channel that has been in play since 2017. Bottom trend line has held bear market. Price is now exactly touching the top boundary of this long-term channel. This is a potential area of reaction, either a breakout or a rejection. In previous cycles, 2017 top, price rejected around this level. 2021 double top, same upper boundary, rejection again. 2025, we're now here again. So what's different this time? For that, we need to check the RSI. Let's look at RSI. This is where it gets really interesting. We've drawn three key downward trend lines on the RSI, each one showing momentum weakening before breakout. October 2020, RSI breakout marked the beginning of the big 2020 to 2021 bull run. November 2022 RSI breakout led to the current uptrend that pushed us above $100,000. Current RSI trend line still intact. RSI is approaching this line again, just under 70. Historically, every time RSI broke one of these trend lines, price followed with a large breakout. We're seeing that same setup build again. If RSI breaks its current descending trend line, we could see momentum rapidly accelerate. Price may finally break above the top of the ascending channel, entering a parabolic phase. This could push BTC to new highs. First targets around $120,000. If parabolic move extends, $150,000 to $180,000 becomes realistic. But we also must prepare for the other scenario. If Bitcoin rejects this upper trend line and RSI fails to break, that would mirror what happened in 2021. It could signal a mid-cycle top. We may enter a sideways correction or even a deeper retracement back to $70,000 to $80,000 support. RSI would likely fall back under 50 and reset completely, delaying any long-term breakout. Institutions are watching RSI and macro trend lines closely. RSI breakout could attract new long-term capital inflows. If momentum stalls, they'll wait for better entry zones. Remember, markets are ruled by liquidity and momentum. RSI trend breaks are one of the earliest signals for both. So here's the full picture. Bitcoin is touching the top of a 7-year trend channel. RSI is squeezing against a key downtrend line. A breakout or rejection is near. Momentum is building, and volatility is likely coming. Smart investors are not predicting, they're preparing. Thanks for staying with me through this detailed BTC analysis. We've looked at trend lines, RSI behavior, and the key moments that shaped past bull runs. What happens next will depend on how Bitcoin reacts to this major resistance zone and the RSI trend line. Don't miss the moment to buy. Hit that subscribe button, and let's track this move together in real time. This is Mindis from Mindis and AI Trading. See you in the next video.